I'm Helen. I'm a principal lawyer in the Clinical Negligence department at Slater and Gordon.
My name is Dr. Ron Daniels. I'm the founder and executive director of the UK Sepsis Trust and an NHS consultant in intensive care. Sepsis is the way the body responds to an infection. So it's always triggered by an infection, something common like a pneumonia or a urinary infection, or even a cut or a bite or a sting. But in sepsis, the body's immune system goes into overdrive, and if we don't stop it, that causes damage to the organs and tissues and can lead to death. Sepsis can be a really difficult condition to spot, even for the most experienced health professional. If you believe they're already seriously ill, you need to look for one of these 6 symptoms. S for slurred speech or confusion. E for extreme pain in the muscles or joints. P for passing no urine, no water in a day. S for severe breathlessness. I for it feels like I'm going to die, and people really do say that. And the final S for skin that's mottled or discoloured or very pale. Any one of those 6 in someone who you think has an infection, take them straight to A&E.
The vast majority of our cases involving sepsis are where there has been a delay in diagnosing and treating sepsis, and this could occur at any stage in terms of the presentation of sepsis. So there can be a delay on the part of a GP or in A&E or whilst on a ward as an inpatient. What we know is that the key to successful treatment of sepsis is early diagnosis and treatment. So all medical professionals should be alert to the potential signs and symptoms of the onset of sepsis, and there may be a claim if there is a delay in diagnosis or treatment. Bringing a claim will ensure that there is a full investigation into what happened and will make sure that questions about the standard of treatment are answered. If a claim is successful, it will lead to a payment of compensation, which can help to support bereaved families where a loved one has died from sepsis. Or for survivors of sepsis, it can pay for much needed treatment and support, for example, rehabilitation, care or an adapted property. To bring a successful claim, we must be able to prove that the medical treatment was negligent, which means that it fell below a reasonable standard of care. If you are unsure whether you have a claim or not, please do contact one of our expert team for free initial advice. Our lawyers have a wealth of experience in dealing with claims relating to sepsis, and we would be happy to advise.